What's going on, YouTube? Right now I'm printing the micro scale garage enclosed trailer. This would be my second time printing it because the first time it got up to about it's at 50% right now. It got up to about 40% yesterday right after the latch, and it ended up breaking. I don't think it printed the latch that good. It's supposed to be like a lock latch right here, but we're just gonna keep and let it print because it ended up shifting and finished the print halfway, so I had to stop it. So I started it yesterday at 10 a.m. It's now today at 10 a.m. It's at 50%. I went to bed last night at 20 hours and 30 minutes. Right now it reclocked itself to 2 hours and 6 minutes, so it's probably at like 1 day and 2 hours. So I got another day to go for it. So another 24 hours, I'm thinking. I'm just gonna rock it at the 0.50 speed. But on the Monoprice Mini Delta, I went on Thingiverse last night as I was watching this print. I printed my wife one of those hairy lions. I gotta clean it up and everything. I didn't have retraction on. I had retraction off. But I'm gonna like clean it up and get all the hairs and stuff for her. She likes it. Cool. I like this model though. I got it off Thingiverse. I can't remember the guy that made it. I will put that in the description. But this is really cool model. But right now we're just waiting on the trailer, and then after that I don't know if I got enough carbon fiber, but I think I'm gonna have to order some from Amazon so I can print the door. But at least I want to get the trailer printed. Make sure it works. I'll print the trailer or the door, and I got some pink PLA left, so I'll print the door in pink PLA and then just reorder some carbon fiber. But 24 hours later, this is how high it got so far. Alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe, and as always, peace and love. God bless. More videos to come, and I'll see you guys in the next video.